Hi guys, in this video I'd like to talk about the functions that are present in the MATLAB. Well, these functions can be used in operations, expressions, and generally this function has a name and it takes an argument. Well, let's get to the stuff. Say square root. Suppose you want to square root of a number, say like 64. Then click enter. Square root of 64 is 8. Here the function name is sqrt. This is a shortcut for the square root, and 64 is the argument that are given. This argument can be a number or an expression or a function. This is example given for a function taking the argument a number. Okay, suppose if you want to give an argument, okay, say let's give 8 plus 8. Wait, what the hell? 8 plus 8. Oh, it gives 4. This is an expression. Okay, we can also give a function inside another function argument. Okay, here we can call square root of 16. This is 4 and square root of 4 again is 2. Okay, these are all different kinds of function calls. Okay, now there are many kinds of function. I mean, all these are the built-in functions that are present in the MATLAB. Well, we have already seen the square root, and there are other functions like exponential. This exponential function, this gives in the scientific notation form, you all know this. And then there is another absolute function which gives the absolute value of a particular number. Say suppose minus 2 is there, then gives absolute value, that is 2 itself. And take another thing like natural logarithm of take 5, this is to the base e. Okay, and if you want to log in, then do this, give 9. Okay, get this. And there is another function like factorial, where what factorial is, factorial of any number is the number into all the other numbers that are present from that number to 1. Okay, like suppose if it is 4, factorial of 4, then it becomes 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If it is factorial of 10, 10 to 1, multiply all the numbers that are present between 10 and 1. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. That is the factorial. Well, there are another functions like sine, cos, tan, normal trigonometric, and there are hyperbolic also. In a similar way, sine h of x, cos h of x, like that. Inverse functions also you can use. All the functions, all are built in. And then there are some important functions which you should know. This is round. This round, it rounds to the nearest integer. Suppose you are doing 5 by 3, no, 5 by 2, then it gives 3, because 3 is nearer 5 by 2 to 5 by 2 than 2. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, and another one is fix. Well, what fix is, it goes towards a 0. Fix of any number like 5 by 2, it goes to 2 instead of going to the 3 because it's coming to the 0. Okay, and then there is another thing, CL. Well, it goes to the infinity. Okay, of course it's 3. And floor, it goes to minus infinity. Okay, it's 2. And then there is another function, remainder of two numbers, 2 comma 3 3 comma 2. Okay, 3 comma 2. Okay, 3 by 2, the remainder is given like 3 by 2 and the remainder is 1, so 1 is your answer. And there's another thing, sine of x, any number. Suppose I give 4. Oh, sine of 4, then it gives 1 because sine of a positive number is 1. If I give sine of a negative number like minus 2, it gives me minus 1. If I asked sine of 0, 0, it gives me 0. If the number is positive, it gives 1. If the number is negative, it gives minus 1. And if the number is 0, it gives me 0. These are all the built-in functions. And if you want to know about any function, just go there and know about that function by going into the help window. Okay, you can know about anything going to the doc sign. Okay, see, goes there. You can know about all those things in the help menu. What is a sine function? It's a trigonometric function whose formula can be represented using this and all the natural formulas, and this is a graph of that function in the interval. I mean, it is plotted like this instead of plotting it in from general 0 to point 0 to 1. Okay, this is how the function views. If you want to know in greater detail also will be there. Well, this help menu helps you a lot. You can know about all the other functions if you want. Okay, so this help menu is a lot useful. Don't forget it. If you don't know anything about a particular function, just go to help window. Okay, and one more thing about this matlab is it's case sensitive. Suppose say if I pressed 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, now if I want to clear the stuff, clear the screen, then if I press CLC capitals, it's not done because it's case sensitive, so be careful with that. Okay, that's it guys for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.